Hello everybody. Welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how to find someone on Facebook using their phone number. It's a simple but quite useful process. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Let's start by opening the Facebook app on our device. Once inside, we turn our attention to our profile picture or the three stripes at the top right of the screen. This will take us to the drop-down menu. In this menu, we look for and click on Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. This is a crucial step to access the settings needed to find someone by phone number. Within Settings and Privacy, we find the Meta Account Center option. This section is essential for configuring contact linking. Within the Meta Account Center, we look for Your Information and Permissions. This is where we start setting up everything to find someone using their phone number. Select Upload Contacts. The platform will ask us to choose an account, and in this case, we chose our Facebook account. It is important to note that this will allow Facebook to access and link contact information. Once we have selected our account, we enable the Continuously Upload Contacts option. This will allow a constant update of the contacts linked to your phone number. We click on Start and observe how Facebook shows us a list of people linked to our phone number, even if they are not friends on the platform. And that's it. Now you know how to find someone on Facebook using their phone number. I hope this video has been useful. If you liked it, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video.